Hello viewers, let's rename or change password of your Wi-Fi routers. So if you do have the IP address of your Wi-Fi, then directly type that in the browser or follow these steps. To find the IP address of your Wi-Fi router, come and click in search CMD command prompt and then click it and now type ipconfig, ipconfig. Click enter and in front of default gateway, your IP address is available. Or the next easy method and another way to find your IP address assigned to your Wi-Fi router, see the sticker at the back of Wi-Fi and there you can find IP address and password which is always printed at the back of the sticker. It's in front of you. This is the picture and this is the IP address. Now, first of all, go and connect to the Wi-Fi which you want to rename or change password. Now Wi-Fi has been connected and we also know our IP address. So open the browser and type 192.168. Whatever is your Wi-Fi address. This type of interface appears, so mostly its login and password is admin. So let me type in password admin and click OK. And this is the previous password through which you already connected to this router or Wi-Fi. If you wanna see this password, so you can click inside and it will display an alphabet. Now click OK. And click on wireless. This is the name of the router or Wi-Fi. Let's rename it. Click OK. And now the name has been changed. You will shortly see the message appear. Click OK and now reconnect to the same Wi-Fi. So click and connect. If it asks for password, then feed your password and click next or connect. To change the password under wireless, click on wireless security and as soon as you open it, you can read the password in case if you click inside. This is the password. Just change it if you would like and click OK. So through this way you can change name or password of any Wi-Fi router. Thanks for watching.